Hey there, this tutorial I will show you how to use ChatGPT Image 2.0 in Manus AI. This is step by step to increase your workflow. Now watch to the end to know everything. And here first how to use ChatGPT Image 2.0 in Manus AI. Here open the Manus AI. You can use desktop tool or the application. Here I will use the application first to show you how to use it here. And here inside Manus AI application. And here what you do now is to click on this plus icon here if you are using the application. And here slide down here, you can see here in create images, you can see on the side, you can see image 2.0 here. Now click on it here. Now what you will do now is to type anything you want it to generate here. Let me type this and then explain. Now after typing in, what you do now is to send it by clicking this upper icon here, and then wait for it to generate the image here. As you can see, it is generating it. Now as you can see, make this Manus AI different as an agent. It thinks before replying or giving out a result here. As you can see, it is thinking. Now as you can see, you can see here, you can see. Now you can also create an image by describing the aspect ratio here like this. Now repeat it here, or you can just type it here. Now you can see here. Now send it here, and then wait for it. As you can see, it's thinking here. And here is the result here. You can see it changed the aspect ratio here to 19.16 here. You can see how real this picture is. You can also edit it by clicking this edit. You can save it. And here if you are using the side 2 here, which is the desktop side here. And here what you do now here, you can can't see this feature here, but it's still using the ChatGPT Image 2.0 here. And here click on more here. You can see it here, but here is how to use it. What you do now here is to ask it to create an image like this. Let me type it and then explain. Now you can see what I asked is create a picture of a couple working together. And here what you do now is to send it by clicking this upper icon here. And here you can see the result here. You can see how it generates so perfect. And this can also use ChatGPT 2.0 here by clicking this icon here to start a new chat here. Now what you do now here is to ask skills on Manus AI agent in order for it to use 2.0 to generate images. Now here is how to do it. Now first, what you do now here is to type the skills like this, the skill that you want to add like this, which I've created tutorial on here like this. Let me type it and then explain. Now here you can see how I describe the skills. Create a skills for Manus AI to use only ChatGPT Image 2.0 to generate or create images. Now here after typing it like this, what you do now is to send it by clicking this upper icon here for it to create the skills here. Now as you can see, it have created the skills here. Now what you do now is to click on add to my skills here. Click on it, add to my skills is here. Now as you can see, the skills have been updated here. Now to use the skills, what you do now is to click on this new tags here to start a new chart. And here what you do now is to click on this plus icon here. Now here click on new skills here. Now here you can see the skills you have created with it. Now here click on ChatGPT like this. As you can see, we have started using the skills we just added here, which is ChatGPT Image 2.0. Now here what you do now is to type in any image you want for it to create for you here. Now here let me ask you to create an image of a grandma, which is more complex. Now you can see how I describe it here. And what you do now after typing your prompt or typing what you want it to create for you here, what you do now is send it by clicking this upper icon here and wait for the result here. Now here is the result here. You can download it by clicking on it like this, and then click on this save icon here. You save it. Now here, let's know how it look. Now here you can see how real this image is. You can see how real it is. Now don't forget to always add the aspect ratio in your description, as I've shown you in the beginning. You can also preview it by clicking on it like this if you are using the desktop Manus AI, and then click on this streamline icon here, and then preview here, and you can see, you can preview it here, you can see it, and you can remove it, or you can also zoom it here by clicking this zoom icon here to zoom it. You can download it also here by clicking this download here. You can reduce this by clicking on this reduce icon here. You can see how the image looks so real. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now see you on the next video. Check out the playlist on the screen in order to know how to use Manus AI based on tutorial, and also check out other playlists. You might find it helpful. Now have a great day and see you on the next video. Peace.